Hello friends, this is Nalin, your 3D animation teacher and friend, and I am here with this news that my course is doing well. This realistic character modeling course, it's doing well. This is the best, one of the best character modeling course on Udemy. So I'm so happy for that, and this all the credit goes to you guys. For you guys, I'm doing this full time, and this is the only source of my income. So go ahead, check out the course, and there's the link I put there. So please go ahead and check the course and let me know if you like the course, and if you have any questions or doubt, please put it in the comment, and I'm here always dedicatedly fully for you guys to help you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please go and check the course. Thank you.